Yankee Stadium is a baseball stadium located in the Bronx, New York City. It is the home field for Major League Baseball's New York Yankees and Major League Soccer's New York City FC. The $2.3 billion stadium, built with $1.2 billion in public subsidies, replaced the original Yankee Stadium in 2009 and is the sixth largest stadium in MLB seating capacity. It is located one block north of the original, on the 24-acre former site of Macombs Dam Park. The 8-acre site of the original stadium is now a public park called Heritage Field. The stadium incorporates replicas of some design elements from the original Yankee Stadium, and like its predecessor, it has hosted additional events, including college football games, soccer matches, 2 outdoor NHL games, and concerts. Although Yankee Stadium's construction began in August 2006, the project spanned many years and faced many controversies, including the high public cost and the loss of public parkland. The $1.5 billion price tag makes the new Yankee Stadium one of the most expensive stadiums ever built. New York Yankees owner George Steinbrenner began campaigning for a new stadium in the early 1980s, just a few years after the remodeled Yankee Stadium opened. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.